leads the PBA All-Stars is the man who moved heaven and earth to pave the way for this weekend's congregation of basketball stars. The only four-time coach of the year in the PBA, and also the only coach to have won 2 titles each in 3 different teams. A 7-time PBA champion coach from the Talking Tex Club on Texas, Coach Chuck Reyes.
Magandang gabi, Araneta! Masaya ba kayo? Masaya? Salamat sa pagpuntahan nyo dito, and syempre, alam naman natin na idol natin lahat yan sila, so sana suportahan nyo rin kami. Di ba? Of course. Thank you!
Your PBA All-Stars! Starting off with a former All-American Pac-10 freshman and player of the year. He was the 2nd overall draft pick in this year's rookie draft. Let's give it up for D-Will Derek Williams! He was the 18th overall pick of the 2008 rookie draft and the record holder of the Guinness World of Records most number of balls used in a single jump during the last All-Star game. The runner-up in the slam dunk competition, Jamal McGee. He was the 3rd overall pick in the 2009 rookie draft and a member of the 2010 All-Rookie second team. Beard, the Beard, let's all roll, James Harden. He was the 4th overall pick in the 2009 rookie draft, the 2010 Rookie of the Year, and All-Star Rookie Challenge MVP, a member of the 2010 All-Rookie First Team. Let's make some noise for Tyreek Evans. The 24th overall pick back in the 1996 rookie draft, a 5-time champion, and is known for his outstanding leadership on and off the court. Let's give it up for Derek Fisher! He was the 4th overall pick in the 2005 rookie draft, the 2006 Rookie of the Year, and led the All-Rookie First Team, a 4-time All-Star and a member of the 2008 USA's Redeem Team that won the gold in the Beijing Olympics. Let's show some love for CP3, Chris Paul. He was the consensus National College Player of the Year in 2007 and was selected 2nd overall in the rookie draft that same year. He won the Rookie of the Year award and led the All-Rookie First Team in 2008. A 2-time All-Star and scoring champion, he led the Team USA to the 2010 FIBA World Championship and became the permanent MVP. Let's all get fired up! It's Kevin Durant! He was the 1st overall pick in the 2008 rookie draft. He won the Rookie in 2009, the Reveal Rookie First Team, a two-time All-Star and the Skills Challenge Champion in 2009. Let's give it up for the reigning MVP, Garrett Rose. The playing coach of the Smart All-Stars was the 13th overall pick for the 1996 Rookie Draft, a five-time champion, two-time Finals MVP, four-time All-Star MVP, the regular season MVP in 2008, and a gold medalist in the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Let's all hail the Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant!
All right, well, I want to say it's an honor to be here. Thank you for coming out. Everybody ready for the night? It's going to be fun. I hope you guys enjoy the show, and let's get this party started.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Smart All-Stars! Let's all rise for the singing of the national anthems. To sing the United States of America's national anthem, here is the heart of R&B, Mr. Chris Lawrence.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land and of the free, and the home of the parade.
Please remain standing. Now, to sing the country's national anthem is Stevie 5 Star Factor first runner-up, Ms. Morissette Awan with the Newborn Divas.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyan ka niyang magitan. Sa manlulubig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok sisiw, sa langit mong bukhaw. Hilak ang awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisnap ng watawat mo'y tabubay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw na kailan pamay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, hatid pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagmay mang-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much. You may now take your seats, everybody. From Thrilla and Manila back in 1975 to this Ultimate All-Star Weekend, the Big Dome has been the venue for truly amazing and extraordinary events. With a new partner, the possibilities are limitless for the country's mecca of sports and entertainment. May we request the lovely ladies to join us here. The 2011 Binibining Pilipinas second runner-up, MJ Lastimosa. 2011 Binibining Pilipinas first runner-up, Janine Tuguna. 2011 Binibining Pilipinas tourism, Isabela Manjor. 2011 Binibining Pilipinas International, Diane Netshow. 2011 Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Shepsi Susu. 2008 Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Jennifer Barrientos. 2010 Binibining Pilipinas World, Sarina Gaponton. And 2010 Miss Universe fourth runner-up, Venus Rock, to accompany us in formally unveiling the new partnership that will bring more world-class entertainment to the Filipino audience. And at this point, may we call on the band to, for the love of sports, made this seemingly impossible event possible for all of us. The MVP Sports Foundation Chairman, Manny V. Pangilinan, and CEO, President, and Chairman of the Alaneta Group Management, George Alaneta. To be joined by the President and CEO of Smart Communications, Mr. Napoleon Nazareno, and Smart Chief Wireless Advisor, Doy Mayer.
Mga kaibigan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdating ngayong gabi to witness another historic event in the Araneta Coliseum. Thanks to the efforts and generosity